Hey guys, morning. I was about to go for a run. I got a call that I have to head to Siliguri. I have some work that has come up, so I'll be down in Siliguri for maybe a couple of days. I have to pack. So I've come to have breakfast. Then I'm going to head down to Siliguri. I maybe drop in the bank. I have some work in the bank as well. So yeah, guys. So I'll show you some videos of me traveling, and so I hope you guys enjoy.
राजाको चाबी क्या चाबी लगाउनु कहिले आउँछ भइसक्यो खुसबु नि सन्चो हुन्छ त्यहाँदेखि चाहिँ
Yeah guys, I've left home now, heading to Siliguri. I'm gonna get in my car. My car is pretty dirty guys. I don't really look after my car, so don't mind me. So yeah guys, I reached Krishnagar. I'm heading to the bank if I head to Siliguri. So I have some work out here. Got out of the bank. The work won't be done today. They've called me in the afternoon, so I have to head down to Siliguri right now. So probably I'll do it after a couple of days once I get back. So yeah, I'm waiting for my in-laws. They're also heading down to Siliguri with me. So once they arrive, then we'll move. While I wait for them, so I'm going to show you. The weather is very beautiful. It's lovely today. I'm going to show you a little bit of Mirik today. Finally they are here. The long wait is over. They're finally here. We have started. The view is like this. Downhill drive. For today, my videographer is Achal Pradhan. She's also an influencer. Guys, please follow her. Subscribe her to her YouTube channel. What is your YouTube channel?
Achal Pradhan.
Achal Pradhan. Please subscribe. And her Instagram handle. What's your handle?
Achal Pradhan as well.
So you can subscribe and can follow her. She posts interesting content as well. So yeah guys, so the journey is like this. So I'll show more of it as we go down further. I'm talking to my wife. Video call me. She really doesn't get time to call me actually. She seems to be overly busy. So this is the bridge. During last rainy season it broke down. And there's a new one that is being constructed. And this front one is the temporary bridge for now. So I hope it lasts this rainy season, but that's the damage it took last rainy season. Hi guys, I finally reached Siliguri. It's pretty warm. It's around 30 degrees. Pretty warm weather. Yeah, so I just reached, I just parked my car. I just want to have some snack. I'm pretty hungry. There's a bakery called Dipti's. Good patty out there. I'm just going to take a quick bite. Guys, that bakery did not have fresh items, so you come only after 3. So I've come to this sweet shop right now. Maybe I'll have some chaat. Though I don't promote it, I'm going to burn that in the evening by Rani. So let me try this aloo tikki chaat. This is the sweet shop. Hi guys, we're done with our work. And we have come to this restaurant in Pradhan called Wood Apple. Full actually, I had that chaat, and now after they are done, we'll go back home. You guys have come to play tennis. Coach is training the little kids. I shall say hi. There's one tennis court here and there's the other one out here. This is a clay court. And I think this is a pickleball court. Guys, I just finished half an hour playing tennis. It's tiring. It's more tiring than running. So Achal is playing at the moment with coach. So another half an hour to go. I'm going to burn all the calories, all the junk I ate. Here, Achal learning how to play tennis. Coach is here. Come on, Achal. Hey, come on. Yes, good. Chalo. Pretty good improvement, huh? Khushbu, you have a challenge out here. His sister is playing pretty well. Chalo. Are? Done playing tennis. Now I head and take shower. Have a little work out here again. Then have dinner, probably go back to sleep. Not the end of my vlog. But yeah, I'll see you guys after that.
Almost.
So it was a good session. An hour of tennis. And Achal also played. I'll show you, I guess you'll see in the video as well. Bye guys. Hey guys, driving back home now. This is usually my Siliguri routine. Usually in the evening or in the morning I play tennis. So I'm done with one session. Heading back home. And if I had played tennis in the morning, then evening I would have run. So there's no run in the morning, today evening tennis. Probably again in the morning I'll play tennis, or maybe I'll go for a run 5K. Go take shower, probably go for a movie today. My family is here. So a little bit of night outing probably. Hey guys, heading for a movie, done with shower. I think we'll have dinner now, probably burger. Go for movie, Dhurandhar 2. They all want to watch Dhurandhar, so might as well go. I wanted to watch Hail Mary, but the timing is not available. So heading to City Center, Inox. Going to watch a movie, and my videographer is very good. Really liked her videos. I look better. Whenever I'm taking video, I look like puffed up. Actually, I am not so puffed up. I've got a lot of comments from my friends and some of the viewers as well. Mostly my friends and things. Everyone, you look very puffed up and this, that. So I run every day. I think the angle of the video is not that great. But anyways, nonetheless, my videographer is good. She's getting well paid, compensated for her videography. Taking for a movie. So yeah, so guys, heading to city center. Heading to Burger King now for dinner. You know what?
Our favorite.
Always love Burger King. Chalo. Hey guys, finally I got my burger. Double whopper. You should try I used to eat this one double whopper usually every day when I was in Dubai. When I was working in Dubai, I think that was 10 years back. So I got used to it.
First bite.
Huh?
First bite.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm in the movie hall in city center, Inox. So I'm watching Durandar. Right now is the interval. Heading back. Pretty nice movie. Guys, whoever hasn't watched it, try and go and watch the part 2. Part 2 is even better than part 3. Part 1, sorry. If I liked it, it's available. Alright guys, bye. See you. Wait for the second half. Hey guys, the movie was very long. I think it's around 3 hours plus movie. I think it's an 8 o'clock movie. Right now it's around 12:20. Now go back straight home and hit the bed. Feeling sleepy now. But lovely movie, you all should go and watch. One of the best movies I've watched. Hindi movies so far. Very nice. Hey guys, I hope you're still watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.